the start of the trailhead. Get ready to hike the Mount Rose summit. Carolyn's getting her boots on. Tahoe Rim Trail. Let's do this, Carolyn. Let's crush it. Crush it time. Gotta limber up. That's rule number 2 of Zombieland. Limber up.
That is
Honey, it's Lake Tahoe. Wow. You gonna make it there?
Hello. Found it.
Yeah, it's cool. Oh, break time. You're not a mountain lion. Honey, uno más, let's do it. Oh, thank goodness. Oh my gosh, there's so many butterflies. I've never seen so many butterflies in my life. It's like, I feel like Batman walking through the cave when all the bats came, except for the butterflies. Oh, there's Reno. Have you ever been in a cloud of butterflies before?
No,
I haven't. This is awesome. We made it to the top.
time to eat our PB&J.
Yeah, time to eat our peanut butter and jellies. Are you proud of yourself?
I am actually.
I am too. That was
Just
5
that
miles.
That one stretch was really hard.
You mean the last 2 miles? All right, we're making our way down. Oh my gosh, so many butterflies. This is amazing. We got 5 miles ahead of us. Heading all the way back there. Gosh, the wind is just blowing the butterflies away. Bye, butterflies! Made it back to the waterfall. Only 2.5 miles left. So close, Carolyn.
Oh my goodness.
So close. She's gonna die. Her legs are gonna fall apart.
Pretty sure I got rhabdo.
Rhabdo? What's that?
Rhabdomyolysis. So your muscles break down and poison your body.
Just keep walking. We did it! Yay! Whoa! It was fun. We were just up there.
That's it?
That's it. That's it. We just hiked up there. Good job, honey. It's a fun little hike. Go do it. We're here at Donner Lake. This is where the people came and got stuck and they ate each other.